Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Fratello knot, the Italian word for brother. So this is to all you guys out there who have a brother or have friends like a brother. There we go. Let's go and get this thing started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line as usual. The same area. 2 ties. Again, we're going to come over. Just going to put any kind of fold you can put in there. We're just going to kind of pinch it in half. Bring both of them over. We'll bring it up and over like this. I think it's best to do this with a skinny tie on the very top. I just picked the 2 at the very front of my closet. Colors don't matter. Come around here like this with both of them, and then we're going to bring the bottom one around like this. Bring this up and over like this. Then we're going to bring the top one over like this, and then around like this. I'm going to put this, the blue one here, I'm going to go, actually before that I'm going to do this, I'm going to come up here through this and secure this in place so I don't have to hold this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up this loop, both of these ties right here. I'm going to come around like this, and then the tie's going to come through that loop. So we're kind of making a loop with it. So there we have that. So then I'm going to come up through here, and then I'm going to do something similar over here, and we'll put that underneath here. So there we have that. Then I'm going to come over, around like this. What should I do? Let's do this right here. Let's fold it in half like this. Slide it down and have it around like that. Bring it around, tighten it up, bring it up through here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my buttons down. Again, remember to follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. And again, go check out Stylish Leadership. We got great videos out there, including what we just put up, my life story. So go ahead, up to this point. So go ahead and go check that out. Open it up a little bit. There you have the Fratello knot. So again, all your my friends, you're 51 if it made. We'll see you in the next video.